In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to Google Slides in a simple and efficient way. This process is pretty straightforward and shouldn't take more than a few minutes. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Slides. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering Google Slides in the search bar or directly accessing it through the URL slides.google.com. Once you're on the site, make sure you're signed into your Google account. If you're not, simply click on the sign in button and enter your details. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the Google Slides home screen. Here you have a couple of options to begin working on your presentation. You can either start from scratch by clicking on a new blank presentation, or if you prefer, you can select from a variety of templates offered by Google to give you a head start. Choose the option that best suits your needs and open your presentation. Now, with your presentation open, it's time to choose your fonts. You'll want to focus on the toolbar at the top of your screen. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Fonts. When you click on it, a list of default fonts already provided by Google Slides will appear. However, since we are looking to customize beyond these, you need to click on the link labeled More Fonts at the top of the drop-down. This will open a new window showcasing a vast array of additional fonts not initially displayed. You'll see fonts are grouped into categories such as serif, sans serif, handwriting, and display styles. You can browse these categories or use the search bar for specific font names you may have in mind. As you peruse the fonts, you can preview how each font will look. To add a font to your current selection, simply click on it. It will be highlighted and automatically added to your Google Slides font list. You can add multiple fonts if you want to experiment with different styles. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click OK at the bottom of the window. The fonts you've chosen will now appear in your Google Slides font list and be immediately available for use in your presentation. By customizing your fonts, you're adding an extra layer of creativity and personal touch to your slides. This can help your presentation stand out and convey the mood or theme you're aiming for. Remember, the key is to enhance readability while keeping the aesthetic in line with your presentation's message. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add custom fonts to your Google Slides presentation, allowing you to fully express your style and creativity. Thanks for tuning in and happy presenting.